Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing and do not forget to click on that bell button so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. You're highly welcome to this amazing family. To my old subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always turning up for me. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this delicious asu rice. Like this rice is a banger. This rice is the yumminess is on another level. I just want you guys to try it out and then come back with your feedback. Okay, I don't want to enjoy this plate of goodness alone. That's why I'm bringing it to you guys to try it out and then come back to me with your feedback. So without wasting much time, let me just go ahead now to introduce the ingredients I use to prepare this yummy asu rice. And if at this point you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and don't forget to do other good stuff to this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this asu rice. I have my tatashi here. I've already gone ahead to remove the seed. This is my tatashi. I've already removed the seed. I have my banla fish here. This is optional. I have my curry leaf. This is my curry leaf. I've not washed it yet. I have my stockfish flakes here. Okay, I'll be adding it to my asu rice. This is also optional. I have my onions here. This is the onions I'll be using to cook my meat. And in here I have my pepper. Let me show you. I have my scotch bonnet pepper here. I've grated it. And this is my goat meat. I'm using goat meat for this asu rice. This is my goat meat. I've washed it already. I have my seasoning cube and yeah. So guys, we'll start now by cooking our meat. Okay. So guys, I'll start now by adding my meat. I will go in with my onions. I'll add in my pepper. And then I will go in with my seasoning cube. So guys, I'll be going in now with water, just enough to cook the meat, okay? Because I'll still be needing the stock for my rice. So guys, I'll add the water now. And then I'm going to just mix this. Our meat is frozen, guys. Just going to mix it. I'll cover this pot now and I'm going to let this meat cook until the meat is tender. So guys, let's check on our goat meat. Our meat has been cooking and it's fully cooked. I'm just going to bring this down and I'm going to be using my air fryer to air fry this meat. But you can still fry it and then use the oil to stir fry your rice, okay? So now I'm just going to put it in my air fryer and fry this. I'll start now by adding oil to my pan. I'm just going to allow this oil to heat up, then I'll go in with my next ingredient. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, subscribe, like the video, leave your comment for me in the comment section. Okay, and if you want to go extra mile to appreciate your girl, there is a place that shows thanks, like a thanks button. You can click on that thanks button to appreciate your girl more. Okay, and don't forget to always watch my ads and share my video to your friends, your family, people that you think might need this. Okay, I'll add in my onion. Then I'll add in my pepper. Right, I'll go in with the stockfish flavor. Optional if you don't have it, and skip it. And then I'll go in with my rice, washed rice. I'm just going to stir fry this, okay, on low heat. I'll stir fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. The essence of this stir frying is so that your rice can come out flavorful and tasty. Okay, I'll be going in with my seasoning cube now. I'm going to stir fry it for a minute, okay? So I'll be going in now with my meat stock. And then I'll add in water. I'll add in water now. So I'm just going to cover the pot now and I'll allow this rice to cook, okay? Don't forget to like, share and comment on this channel. Don't forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel, okay? Let's check on our rice. Our rice has cooked now, so I'll just go ahead to make my asun. I'll be using this pot to make my asun. So I've watched me up to now, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to our channel, okay? Subscribe, like and do all that good stuff to this channel, okay? So I'll just prepare this rice and then start making our asun. So I'm just going to add in vegetable oil in the pot now. And once this oil is hot, I will go in with my next ingredient. Add in my onion now. I'm going to stir. I'm going with my pepper. I'll add in my pepper now. I'll go in with my blended satashi. Going with my blended satashi. So I'll add in my curry powder. I'll go with my curry powder. Then I'm going to mix this. The essence of the satashi is just to give color and some sweetness to this rice, okay? Just for the color. Satashi is not hot. I'm going to allow this to fry for like 2 to 3 minutes, okay? If you have watched up to now and you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, okay? Subscribe, like and do all that good stuff to this channel. So I'll be going in with my seasoning now. And then I'm going to mix this. I'll go in with my goat meat. And then I'm going with my banga fish. I'm going to be adding a little bit of this our goat meat stock just to loosen the sauce, okay? Just going to mix everything together, guys. Like the aroma in this kitchen. Uh-huh. Even the rice, you can just eat the rice like that, but no, we are making our sauce. Like the rice came out so tasty, so tasty. But that's not our aim, okay? Our aim is Asun sauce, Asun rice. So we're making Asun rice. So guys, I'm going to cover this pot now, and I'll just let this to cook, let the goat meat release the flavor inside this sauce before I will go in with my rice. Please do not forget to like my video and subscribe, okay? So I'm going to be adding in my rice now. Our asu is ready, okay? This is our asu. Now I'm just going to add in my rice. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to our channel? I use this big pot though. I thought that the rice I cooked is small. I did one day of rice, so I didn't know that this pot is actually big. Like this is the third size of this pot. Just going to mix everything. See here. This rice. Just try it out, okay? Use my recipe, try it out, and let me know in the comment section. I'm going to add in my curry powder now. Please add this curry leaf, okay? Don't skip it, okay? It's not optional at all. Don't skip it. I want you to add it. It takes the taste of this right to another different level, okay? And let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. At this point, our food is ready. Just turn off the heat. And guys, this is what we have. Our asu rice is ready. This rice came out so yummy, so delicious. That's what I'm telling you, to try out this right, so that you will come back and tell me your feedback, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. And if you have watched up to now and you are not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? Like this video, comment, leave your thought for me in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.